I spent 2 weeks exploring every major family resort in Varadero, and what I discovered will completely change how you pick your next Caribbean vacation. This isn't just another hotel list. I'm about to show you the 5 resorts that consistently deliver the most unforgettable family experiences, based on thousands of real guest reviews and my own hands-on research. Whether you're planning your first family trip to Cuba or you're a seasoned traveler looking for something special, these properties will give you everything you need for the perfect vacation without breaking the bank. Let's start with Iberostar Varadero, a resort that has mastered the art of making every family member happy. This sprawling beachfront property sits on one of the most pristine stretches of Varadero's famous white sand beach, and the moment you walk into the lobby, you'll understand why families keep coming back year after year. The atmosphere here strikes that perfect balance between relaxed Caribbean vibes and organized fun. You'll find parents sipping cocktails while their kids are safely entertained just a few steps away. The rooms at Iberostar Varadero are spacious enough for families without feeling overwhelming. Most feature either garden or ocean views, and the junior suites give you that extra breathing room that makes all the difference when you're traveling with children. The balconies are large enough for morning coffee while the kids sleep in, and the air conditioning actually works, something you'll appreciate more than you might expect in the Cuban heat. Family rooms come with mini fridges stocked daily, and the housekeeping staff goes above and beyond to create towel animals that delight children every evening. When it comes to dining, this resort truly shines. The main buffet restaurant offers an impressive variety that goes well beyond typical resort food, with fresh seafood, Cuban specialties, and plenty of options for picky eaters. The Italian specialty restaurant serves authentic pasta dishes that will satisfy even the most discerning family members, while the beach grill keeps things casual with fresh grilled fish and tropical drinks. What really sets Iberostar apart is their commitment to quality. The food tastes fresh, the presentation is thoughtful, and you'll rarely find yourself disappointed. Their kids' menu includes healthy options alongside familiar favorites, and they accommodate food allergies with advance notice. The pool area is where families spend most of their time, and Iberostar delivers with multiple pools, including a dedicated children's area with water slides and shallow sections perfect for toddlers. The main pool is large enough that it never feels crowded, even during peak season. The beach access is immediate, and the water is that incredible Caribbean blue that looks almost too perfect to be real. Beach toys and flotation devices are available for children, and the resort provides beach umbrellas and comfortable loungers that parents actually want to spend time in. For families seeking relaxation, the spa offers treatments that help parents unwind while kids participate in supervised activities at the children's club. The resort organizes everything from dance lessons to beach volleyball tournaments, ensuring there's always something happening without feeling overwhelming or forced. Evening entertainment includes family-friendly shows featuring Cuban music and dance, creating cultural experiences that educate while they entertain. Moving on to Melia Varadero, this resort takes luxury family travel to another level. The property feels more sophisticated than typical family resorts, but still maintains that welcoming atmosphere that makes children feel comfortable and excited. The architecture blends modern elegance with tropical charm, creating spaces that photograph beautifully while remaining functional for families. Expansive gardens filled with tropical plants create natural play areas where children can explore safely while parents enjoy the stunning landscaping. The rooms here are notably larger than average, with many featuring separate living areas that give families room to spread out. The ocean view suites offer stunning panoramas of the coastline, and the bathrooms are spacious enough for the whole family to get ready without chaos. The attention to detail in room amenities shows, from quality linens to thoughtful lighting that creates a relaxing evening atmosphere. Each room includes a well-stocked minibar with complimentary soft drinks and snacks that refresh daily, eliminating those expensive resort purchases that can quickly add up. Melia's dining program stands out for its variety and quality. The main restaurant offers international cuisine with a strong emphasis on fresh, local ingredients. The Japanese restaurant provides an unexpected treat with expertly prepared sushi and teppanyaki that even children enjoy watching being prepared. The poolside grill serves lighter fare perfect for lunch between swimming sessions, while the lobby bar creates sophisticated cocktails that help parents transition into vacation mode. Their specialty Cuban restaurant features live cooking demonstrations where families can learn about traditional preparation methods while enjoying authentic flavors. The resort features multiple pool areas, including an adults-only section for parents seeking quiet moments and a family pool with gentle water features that keep younger children entertained for hours. The beach here is particularly beautiful, with calm waters perfect for families and enough space that you'll always find a good spot for your group. Water sports equipment is available for active families, including kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear, all included in the resort fee. What makes Melia special for families is their attention to creating experiences rather than just providing amenities. The Kids Club offers culturally enriching activities that teach children about Cuban culture, while evening entertainment includes professional shows that appeal to all ages without being childish or overly commercial. Their teen club provides age-appropriate activities for older children, ensuring that families with teenagers have options that keep everyone engaged and happy. Paradisus Varadero represents the pinnacle of family luxury in the region. This resort caters to families who want premium experiences without sacrificing the fun and relaxation that makes Caribbean vacations special. The property design emphasizes space and privacy, with low-rise buildings scattered across lush tropical gardens that create intimate settings while maintaining the grand scale that makes a vacation feel special. Walking paths wind through beautifully maintained grounds where peacocks roam freely, creating magical moments that children remember long after returning home. Family suites at Paradisus are genuinely spacious, with separate bedrooms for parents and children, living areas large enough for family game nights, and bathrooms that feel more like home spas than hotel amenities. Many suites feature swim-up pools or direct garden access, giving families private outdoor space that becomes an extension of their accommodation. The suites include premium amenities like Nespresso machines, premium liquors in well-stocked minibars, and daily fruit platters that make every day feel like a celebration. The dining at Paradisus elevates resort cuisine to restaurant quality. The main buffet features live cooking stations where chefs prepare fresh meals to order, while specialty restaurants offer everything from authentic Cuban cuisine to international favorites prepared with premium ingredients. The beachfront restaurant provides casual dining with your toes in the sand, creating those magical family dinner moments that become vacation memories. Their gourmet burger restaurant serves artisanal creations that satisfy both adults and children, while the steakhouse offers premium cuts for special family celebrations. Multiple pools cater to different family needs, from lap pools for active parents to splash areas designed specifically for toddlers. The main family pool features a lazy river that provides gentle entertainment for all ages, while poolside service ensures parents never have to leave their lounge chairs unless they want to. The resort's crown jewel is the cenote-style pool with natural rock formations and hidden caves that create an adventure playground for curious children. The spa at Paradisus offers family packages that allow parents and older children to enjoy treatments together, creating bonding experiences that go beyond typical vacation activities. The Kids Club provides structured activities that are educational and entertaining, giving parents guilt-free time to enjoy adult amenities. Their teen program includes exciting activities like treasure hunts and beach Olympics that create lasting friendships and memories. Blau Varadero brings a different energy to family vacations, focusing on active fun and adventure while maintaining the comfort and convenience families need. This resort attracts families who want to experience Cuba beyond the beach, with organized excursions and cultural activities that create lasting memories and educational opportunities for children. The property maintains a vibrant, energetic atmosphere where families bond over shared adventures and new experiences. The rooms at Blau balance comfort with functionality, offering enough space for families while maintaining a cozy atmosphere that feels welcoming rather than impersonal. Ocean View rooms provide stunning sunrise views that make early mornings feel special, while Garden View accommodations offer privacy and tranquility for afternoon naps and quiet family time. Each room includes practical amenities like beach bags, beach towels, and reusable water bottles that make daily adventures more convenient. Dining here emphasizes fresh, local flavors with international touches that ensure even cautious eaters find plenty to enjoy. The Cuban specialty restaurant offers authentic dishes prepared with care, allowing families to experience local culture through food in a comfortable, familiar setting. The poolside restaurant keeps things casual and quick, perfect for hungry children who don't want to spend long periods away from swimming and playing. Their ice cream parlor becomes a daily destination for families, serving tropical flavors that capture the essence of Cuban cuisine. The pool complex at Blau is designed for active families with water slides, volleyball areas, and plenty of space for games and activities. The beach offers calm waters perfect for swimming and snorkeling, with equipment available for families who want to explore the underwater world together. The resort organizes beach games and competitions that bring families together while encouraging friendly interaction with other guests. What sets Blau apart is their excursion program, which offers family-friendly trips to nearby attractions, cultural sites, and natural areas that showcase the beauty and history of Cuba beyond the resort. These organized activities provide structure and safety while allowing families to create adventures together. Popular excursions include visits to Havana's historic district, dolphin encounters, and cave explorations that appeal to children's sense of adventure. Finally, Royalton Hicacos rounds out our list with a resort that specializes in creating magical family moments without pretension or excessive luxury. This property focuses on genuine hospitality and thoughtful amenities that make families feel welcome and comfortable from the moment they arrive. The staff here becomes genuinely invested in your family's vacation experience, remembering names and preferences that make each interaction feel personal and meaningful. The accommodations prioritize space and functionality, with family rooms that actually work for real families rather than just looking good in photographs. The bathrooms are practical and spacious, while bedrooms offer comfortable sleeping arrangements that ensure everyone gets the rest they need to enjoy busy vacation days. Connecting rooms are available for larger families, and the resort provides cribs, high chairs, and other baby equipment at no additional charge. Royalton's dining program offers variety without overwhelming choices, focusing on well-prepared dishes that appeal to diverse tastes and dietary needs. The main restaurant features live cooking stations and fresh ingredients, while casual dining options provide quick, satisfying meals that keep energy levels up during active vacation days. Their pizza restaurant becomes a family favorite, serving authentic wood-fired pizzas that please adults and children equally. The pool area combines fun water features with comfortable lounging spaces, creating an environment where children can play safely while parents relax nearby. The beach access is excellent, with calm, clear water that's perfect for families and enough space to avoid crowding even during busy periods. The resort provides complimentary beach activities including volleyball, beach soccer, and sandcastle building contests that create opportunities for family bonding. After experiencing all these resorts, here's what I've learned about choosing the perfect Varadero family vacation. If you want the best overall value with consistent quality, Iberostar Varadero delivers everything most families need without unnecessary extras. For families seeking more sophisticated amenities and dining, Melia Varadero provides luxury without losing that family-friendly atmosphere. Paradisus represents the ultimate in family luxury for those special occasions or milestone trips. Blau Varadero is perfect for active families who want to explore Cuban culture, while Royalton Hicacos offers solid comfort and genuine hospitality at a more accessible price point. The truth is, you really can't go wrong with any of these properties. They've all earned their reputations through years of delivering memorable family vacations. Your choice should depend on your specific priorities, whether that's luxury amenities, cultural experiences, active adventures, or simply reliable comfort and fun. Varadero's beaches are spectacular no matter where you stay, and these resorts ensure your family vacation will be everything you hoped for and more.